Alright, when it comes to speed building, just focus on the words. Don't look at your transcript, don't look at your computer, and kind of keep your eyes moving. That's kind of like a little hack that I have when I take speed tests. I keep my eyes moving because if my body freezes up, so does my hands. So if I kind of keep moving, keep my eyes and head, I'm free to keep the blood going, keep the oxygen going. This is going to be at 60 words a minute, and I'm going to clock myself. Do the best that I can clocking myself anyway. And I encourage you to keep up as best as you can. Alright, here we go. A computer is a machine that uses electronics to input, process, store, and output data. Data is information such as numbers, words, and lists. The input of data means to read information from a keyboard. A storage device like a hard drive or a sensor. The computer processes or changes the data by following the instructions in software programs. Alright, that's a warm-up. Don't count that as part of your tests. So let's do it again, and I'm gonna go start from the top, and I don't know when I'll stop, but this video is already 2 minutes, so let's get going. Alright, here we go. A computer is a machine that uses electronics to input, process, store, and output data. Data is information such as numbers, words, and lists. The input of data means to read information from a keyboard. A storage device like a hard drive or a sensor. The computer processes or changes the data by following the instructions in software programs. A computer program is a list of instructions the computer has to perform. Programs usually perform mathematical calculations, modify data, or move it around. The data is then saved on a storage device, shown on a display, or sent to another computer. Computers can be connected together to form a network, such as the internet, allowing the computers to communicate with each other. The processor of a computer is made from integrated circuits, chips that contain many things. Most computers are digital, which means that they represent information using binary digits or bits. Computers come in different shapes and sizes depending on the brand, model, and purpose. They range from small computers, such as smartphones and laptops, to large computers, such as supercomputers. The two important parts of a computer are that it responds to a specific instruction set in a well-defined manner, and that it can execute a stored list of instructions called a program. There are 4 main actions in a computer: inputting, storing, outputting, and processing. Modern computers can do billions of calculations in a second. Being able to calculate many times per second allows modern computers to multitask, which means they can do many different tasks at the same time. Computers do many different jobs where automation is useful. Some examples are controlling traffic lights, vehicles, security systems, washing machines, and digital televisions. Computers can be designed to do almost anything with the information. Computers are used to control large and small machines that, in the past, were controlled by humans. Most people have a personal computer at home or at work. They are used for things such as calculation, listening to music, reading an article, writing, or playing games. Modern computers are electric computer hardware. They do mathematical arithmetic very quickly, but computers do not really think. They only follow the instructions in their software programs. The software uses the hardware when the user gives it instructions and produces useful outputs. Computers are controlled with user interfaces. Input devices include keyboards, computer mice, buttons, touchscreens. Computer programs are designed or written by computer programmers. A few programmers write programs in the computer's own language. All right, that's almost 10 minutes. Wow, I didn't even time it, but I wanted it to be 10 minutes. So hopefully you were able to hang on. That was 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's 60? Okay, so that's 420 words. That's how many words you wrote. So let's see how many of you got them right. I will post something in the description so that you can grade yourself so that you're not left hanging. But happy writing.